Hey guys, welcome to the 100 subscriber giveaway drawing. It's great to see everybody who's joined and added a comment. Hopefully we can give a little bit back now. Alright, we're going to get underway to the drawing, so good luck everybody. We'll smash in the URL here, load the comments, and then we'll randomly pick a winner. Bang, Miss Darwin. Congratulations. If you can send me a message via YouTube from your YouTube account with your address where you want the bits and pieces sending, and I'll get those straight out to you as soon as I can. Again, thanks everybody for your support. It's been really fun so far creating these videos. I hope you will enjoy them. I'm sure we'll do more giveaways in the future as we find more bits and pieces and reach new milestones. But until then, yeah, please keep watching, keep commenting, liking, and I'll see you all at the next video. Thanks.